What's up, guys? It's just Jeff here. Today I'm testing my invisible force field with some easy science experiments. Let's do it. Yeah!
It's just Jeff. He's on the go with a big bright shirt and a whoa, whoa, whoa. Learning is fun, and so are you. Let's get ready for something new. It's just Jeff. Here we go. Hey!
Did you know some forces are invisible, like Wi-Fi, or when your mom says your full name from across the house? Jeffrey! That's a force. Okay, this is a magnet. It attracts metal without even touching it. So we've got a few different items in here that we're gonna hide in the bin and see what attracts to the magnet. So we've got a metal screwdriver, matchbox car, golf ball, paperclip, we got rock, we got a nickel and a dime. Move them around. Okay, there's plastic action figure. Okay, what do you guys think is going to attract to the magnet? Good guess. Okay, prediction time. Do we think the plastic action figure is going to be attracted to the magnet? Ah, denied. Like my audition for the Backstreet Boys. Oh, it worked. We got the paperclip. It's like Pokemon. Gotta catch them all, but only the metal ones. Magnets pull only certain metals, like iron. Okay, let's see what else is attracted to the magnet. Let's try rock. Oh, nope. Nope. Okay, golf ball. No good with the golf ball either. All right, let's try a screwdriver. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. Okay, all right, I'm gonna try, here's a quarter. Nope, quarter's no good. Okay, let's keep on looking. There's another rock. We know rocks didn't work. Oh, last one, matchbox car. Oh my goodness, I would have never guessed that. How cool. If magnets can be an invisible puller, then air can be an invisible pusher. This is NASA, but on a juice box budget.
Houston, we have a problem.
Where did you come from?
I snuck in through the dawn door.
Yeah, that tracks. Super fast. Let's have a race. You blow your balloon up big, I'll blow mine up small, and it'll be big against small, okay? I thought you had more hot air than that. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Oh! I think you had some spit on yours. Okay, here are the results. My orange balloon ended up here. But Super Fox's purple balloon went all the way over here. Not too bad, dude. This is called Newton's third law. When the air shoots backward, the balloon goes forward. Like when you jump off your skateboard and the board keeps going. What if we combine invisible forces and spinning power? Water, little food dye. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, here we go. Look, it's like a little tornado. It's like Twister, but nobody pulls a hamstring. Adding some glitter. Science sparkle mode activated. Okay. Spin this. The spinning water creates a tiny vortex, like a hurricane. Ooh. All right, just for funsies, you can turn off the lights and use a flashlight to light it up. Watch this. Ooh. Oh, look at the vortex. Oh, it It's like a little tornado. Sparkle tornado activated. Whoa! Whoa! That's too cool. Invisible forces are everywhere. Magnets, air, ooh, spinning water, even gravity. You win this time, gravity. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See you next time, scientists.
It's just Jeff. Don't forget to subscribe.